Mabuhay ug madayo, my name is Kendev Evidencio. So now I'm going to discuss and prepare how to travel to Vietnam and what processes you do while dealing the processing during traveling. So travel document, acquisition, passport, and visa travel ticket. In the entry of requirement go to Vietnam is you must have a passport. So of course we are a Filipino. The passport holder can enjoy visa-free entry for up to 21 days in Vietnam. How to get there? If you're from Davao City, you can take a flight to Manila City, and the flight duration estimated 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then after takeoff, so they have another flight from Manila to capital of city of Vietnam, which is the Hanoi, and the duration time is 3 hours and 15 minutes, and the cost of price is 14,874 pesos, but it's depend of the day that you book. So now I will proceed the immigration interview. Hello sir, please sit down. Thank you sir. Why are you here and what is your purposes in this country? My purpose why I'm here, I'm a tourist. I have a business and pleasure. How many weeks you stay in this country? 3 weeks, sir. Okay, you pass. Welcome to the Vietnam. Thank you, sir. So we proceed the hotel check-in. The hotel of the nearest of the airport. The name of the hotel is Hanoian Central Hotel and Spa, located in the heart of the Hanoi Old Quarter. I recommend that because you can also relaxing because they have a spa and the breakfast and so good, and they have free Wi-Fi and other thing. They have a gym for exercise, and lastly the hospitality of the hotel is so good and highly recommend. Of itinerary, day 1, explore the old quarters. So in this area they have home to a mixed Vietnamese architecture, green space, and the ancient shops. And after that you visit, if you're looking restaurant, I recommend to you the Hang because they have traditional food like the Vietnamese dishes. So at the afternoon, don't forget the French Quarter. From Old Quarter to French Quarter is almost near. So their French Quarter approximately they have 800 hectares. So at the midnight, visit the Opera House because of beautiful lightning, and the midnight visit the Opera. To the destination that I visit is Kim Lake. In that place is a art lake that has seen many ups and downs in the history of Hanoi. If I'm in Kim Lake, I walk around the lake to sightsee and visit the surrounding old quarter and visit the unique features Vietnamese architecture, cuisine, and lifestyle. And Hanoi's World Lake is about 12 hectares wide with a length of 700 meters, wide of 200 meters. If you want to rest, they have a hotel, the Vin Holiday with Phu Quoc, near of the resort, and all that. And at the end of the tour, in day 2, back to the hotel and experience the uniqueness 5-star hotel. And this is the last day of the Vietnam tour. In day 3, from Kim Lake to Hanoi, you can ride a train or bus. The estimated hours is 12 hours and 30 minutes in 164 kilometers. In the Halong Bay, you can snorkeling and dive. Coral Reef. Halong Bay is a home to more than 140 different species of coral, including rare varieties that you can explore. So this is the activity that you want to do in Halong Bay. Hike to hike, and they have Cat Ba Island, and spelunking in Sut Mi, and the Tien Kun Cave Also, they have Monkey Island. Monkey Island is just a short from Cat Brown Island, but it can only be reached by boat. And last, before end of the tour, experience the Pelican Cruise, the cheapest cruise in the Halong Bay Cruise. And that's the end of the tour. Thank you. So this is the flight back, just like how to get there from Hanoi to Old Quarter Kim Lake. But when you back in Hanoi from Halong Bay, you take a ride in bus or private car to Hanoi International Airport, then flight back to Philippines, then Manila to Davao City. So this is the end of the tour. As our together draws to a close, I want to express my gratitude for our participation and enthusiasm. Thank you again this adventure with me. I wish you safe travel and hope to see you on another journey. Mabuhay ug daghang salamat.